One of the things I'm immensely just overjoyed about is the Canton Network and what we've been telling you guys. They are creating a monster, and those, I believe, because of our research, I believe that Canton Coins are extremely undervalued, and they're only going to continue to not only gain purpose, but a lot of that supply is going to come down. Now, the reason I say that is because I see so often that people still are taught wrong. They come in the comments and they say, well, it's just too many tokens. They got an infinite symbol, therefore you can never really make any big money on them. And now, I don't blame you guys, because I used to think like that with some things, but I don't anymore, because I've educated myself and I continue to educate myself, and it makes me understand everyone. Sometimes you look at things and you judge it by its appearance. You judge it by that infinite symbol or that they have so many tokens. But it's like I keep telling you guys, week upon week, it's not how many tokens they have. It's mainly how are they going to decrease that amount.